Hello, my name is Sandy Nagel, and I am the owner of DecorateYourLife.com. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can become an affiliate of DecorateYourLife.com. When you land on my website, chances are you will land on the home page, and the home page looks something like this. So, to register as an affiliate, you are going to go to the menu board, which is right along here, and click on the affiliate dashboard. Now, before we go any further, I do need to state that the physical items that are sold on my website are for U.S. addresses only. And the digital items that are sold on my website, such as scrapbook printables or scrapbook printable papers, those can be sold to specific countries and the U.S. The specific countries are those countries that accept euros. To keep the costs down in my website, I have added modules that only accept U.S. dollars and euros. Anyone who makes a digital purchase using U.S. dollars and euros, you can go ahead and use the affiliate links with them. However, if it's for a physical item, like something that I'm selling that I handmade, that is for U.S. addresses only. Okay, so now that I have that out of the way, first thing you need to do is you need to register, log into my website if you are not already registered, you can log in if you're already registered, or you can register on your website. So let me go ahead and log in. Okay, once you're logged in to your affiliate dashboard, this is pretty much what it's going to look like. I have set all of my affiliate commissions to be at 15% of the sale. So, everybody across the board gets 15%. You're going to see your total earnings, the total amounts that have been paid, or any refunds. But this really doesn't pertain to my website because I do have a returns and refunds policy in which you will see that I do not accept refunds. Okay, right along here you will see the balance that you have earned, and over here the number of visits and conversion rate, if any. Now, right along here, recent commissions, if any, and recent clicks, if any. Now, the way I set up this module is that you can share your affiliate links across the board in your social media, YouTube videos, whatever, okay? But you cannot click on your own affiliate link to make a purchase and collect a commission on top of that. That's not how this is going to work, okay? Just so you know up front. So, basically, right along here, you have like a mini menu for you, the affiliate. Of course, you go to the dashboard, which is where we are right now. And over here, it shows you the amount of commissions. Let's go ahead and click on that. It's going to be the product. You're going to put in the product and let's see I believe it's the date. Yeah, what you have received commissions are, and it's going to give you the whole report. So, oh yes, and another thing, you see this top over here? You're not going to see this. This is for me. I'm on my website right now because I'm an admin. I get to see this. You're not going to get to see that. So don't worry if you don't get this black bar. That's not for you to worry. Okay, so back on here, you're going to get to see the number of clicks, the payments, and I will pay the first payments will go out the first week of every month on the past month's commissions that you have earned. Okay, so I let everything accrue during the month, and you get paid through your PayPal. It's very important that you have to have a PayPal account. Alrighty, when you register, it'll tell you to give you your PayPal email address where all your payments are going to go. Alrighty, so this is where you're going to see your payments, and I guess the settings. I've never gone to that button. I guess it'll give you a way to see your account. Oh, right here, affiliate dashboard. Go ahead and put in your payment email. It says email address where you want to receive PayPal payments for your commissions. Okay, let's see. Let's go back over here. Yeah, very important that you complete that. Otherwise, I don't know where to send your payment to. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the previous page. Okay, now this is where a lot of you are asking, how do we generate links? Very easy. We're going to go here to generate the link. Okay, let's say you're in my design team, or let's say that you purchased a product of mine and you did a project and you're showing it across social media, you're showing it on your YouTube channel or whatever. Okay, so what you're going to do is, let's go ahead and open up a new window, and let's go to decorate your life. Okay, let's make believe that I am Miss Crafter, and I just happened to purchase this collection right here. I bought it on sale, yada, yada, yada. I printed it out, fell in love with it. I did my project. I'm in the process of making my YouTube video. And then I see, oh, I can actually earn commissions on this paper right here, since, might as well. I'm going to present it. So what I do is I've made my video in my description of my content in my YouTube video, or wherever it is that you share your video. So in order for me to create a link that is pertaining to me and me only for this specific product, I'm just going to go to the URL, and I'm going to press Control-C to copy, or Command-C if you're on a Mac, copy, and I'm going to paste it right over here. Okay, there. And then I'm going to go here to where it says generate, and I am generating my specific URL that's going to pay me a commission every time somebody buys that particular product. So I'm going to go ahead and copy. Okay, the URL is copied. And if I want to test it, if I want to see what it looks like, let's go ahead and open up a new window. Now this may happen rather quickly. I'll go ahead and have to pause the video for you so you can see. Okay, see that? That along there, it's going to take the person to decorateyourlife.com to that particular product, and it's going to give that referral number. Obviously, I'm number one because I was the first one to sign up when I was testing this. So I guess it's going to go 2, 3, 4, and numbers like so. Yeah, it's a very, very new program on my website. So it's going to give me the referral number. Alrighty. So somebody clicks on it, they go there, and boom, they add it to cart, yada, yada, yada. They make the sale. Of course, like I said earlier, it's not going to register under me because you cannot get a commission off of your own links. Okay, so as soon as a person hits buy, proceed to checkout, and they pay, it goes immediately, I would hope, yeah, right up here. And if I was to look at my affiliate dashboard, my commission will show there. Okay, and pretty much that's how it is. You go to generate link, you find anything, even if you are not, let's say, making a project. Okay, even if you're not making a project, here's a tip on how to sell. Okay, and I know that some of you can say, well, I'm not tech savvy, but you know what? Fumble your way around it and learn it. It might be of use to you in the future, okay? You don't necessarily have to go in and purchase my papers. This is what you can do. Just go to your QuickTime Movie and record the screen. And when you record the screen, talk about the paper. Obviously it's going to say sample on it so that nobody steals it, okay? But with all of my papers, all of the samples are on there. So in your video, you can talk about the papers and the colors and any add-ons. If there's any add-ons, like for example, over here, one of my newest paper collections is this one. Be Beautiful. I have the paper collection, which is on sale right now up until the February 14th, 2022. And over here, I have the fussy cut to this collection right here. Look how beautiful the fussy cut pieces are. Okay, so let's say you want to talk about the collection and you can talk about the fussy cuts and you can record the screen, download your video, edit your video, and boom, add your affiliate links, upload it to YouTube, let folks know, and this is per the Federal Trade Commission, you have to state that you are using affiliate links. That's just the rules, that's the law. It was not made up by me, it was made up by the U.S. Federal Trade Commission. So, that's just a disclaimer that you have to state in your video. And so you just say, you're on your YouTube, la-di-da-da-da, or your Instagram. Check out this really cute collection. I would appreciate if you click on my affiliate links. I will get a small commission. It'll help me feed my cats or whatever you want to say. Okay? And so that's another way of making a commission on my website. You don't necessarily have to buy the item. And and so another thing about your commissions, I don't remember if I stated, everybody across the boards get 15% off of the sale price, the sale price, the final price, and your links are good for 30 days, okay? I know some people leave it for 7 days, other for 14. I went ahead and I want to give my affiliates ample time. That way, if somebody doesn't get paid till 2 weeks from today, you still have, and provided that they haven't clicked on somebody else's affiliate link for the same exact thing, you still have a chance of making a commission off of that sale if it's 2 or 3 weeks down the line. So I hope that this helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact me. I hope that, I know that this is fairly easy to me. Some people are not that familiar with affiliate links. And so, and let me see. If you need to contact me, you click on the contact us. You can go ahead and contact me via email. Just click on here to send me an email. Okay? Sorry about my voice. It is what it is. And I'm whatchamacallit. This is due to clinical malpractice. Okay? I normally did not sound like this. If you listened to me a year ago, this is not what I sounded like. I hope that you were able to hear me well and understand what I've been trying to say here. Okay, if you have any issues or anything, just please send me an email and I will try to respond to your question or concern as soon as I can. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.